breaking the southern parking lot right now.
Ours moving the green coming up to the start of the parking lot.
B2 at N16, see if you guys can move up a hair further. Yeah, 710 defense, digging guys, you know, watch your angles, don't expose yourself, we're in for a moment.
A lot of guys by the Southern school bus.
Coming in through S7. We got can just north of the northern ridge, pushing onto the northern ridge right now. Turn that shit off. Okay, the trading post team has met us on the northern ridge. The other half of the trading post is working rail side.
Warchild and Saber at the Winnebago's pushing north. Clayton's in the middle of the courtyard. He just directed some guys to cut into the thicket between the Winnebagos and the oil drum.
Hey, the guys that were on trackside, you guys still over there? Yeah, we're still trackside.
Warchild and Saber 100 feet south of the oil drum, getting ready to go into the eastern grotto.
Exactly. Right at the oil drum. Hey guys, trackside, watch out, they're coming from our hard spawn point. Brown van registered ahead of you. I can see that last transmission over. Just keep an eye trackside by the our hard
ground
spawn
right there,
point.
about 100 feet.
Hit!
Alright, copy that. Moving, I want to take a look on trackside, over. We got some half buckers on the track. If we try to go that way, let's pursue shooting our targets in front of the parking lot and push a little bit of grass and try to take some ground over. Also, I have eyes on 1-7, moving now towards the suburban.
Straight ahead, straight ahead.
Sure, there might move south, so I got your back.
Pete, are you still near M31 there by the mosque?
Watch out, we got 120, get down. We got one in S7 at least, I got eyes on. Backside if they can get there.
One down near the dump truck. Pete, one behind the black car. Two in the snail bunker. We have an opportunity here to take the moss, guys. We only got 3 covering it.
We still got people trackside over by our house.
He's out. That's one down. There's still one more in the snail bunker. We're trying to taking them off. We're Child and Saber at the mosque.
One up by the tires near
Guys, push me a couple guys over here by the mosque. We got a toehold in the parking lot.
One guy out 7.
Look out! Look out!
That's the guy at 7.
Got him, got him.
We're moving up the road. Here, 12 o'clock, straight down there, inside the farm, dude. The guy just SUV, so just walk out the private side, come to the accurate path.
Kevin is at N1.
Do we have a friend at N7?
Whoa! One in the snail bunker! One down. Snail bunker down. Do we have friendlies in N7? Guys, we're in the northern parking lot. Push some fucking people here from the trackside.
Kevin, that's you, man.
Multiple green in the swamp. 5 in and around the limo.
What's up, Spencer? Be advised. I shot going back to respawn to the south, down, and we're making his way north over.
I got my turret.
That's fine, Frank. We're heading out before the crash. We're just inside the parking lot. Hey, Coach Pat, get behind. I have a straight run for one of the players.
War Child has changed another flag. Get that fucking flag!
Todd, what do you got? I'm pushing towards trackside. Got him. Here, 6. What do you got?
Get in 6! Watch N7!
I cannot see anything in the radar. Over. Copy that. Dylan, move on N8 from the hill. You gotta call out or I'm shooting. Hey, follow me. 10 by 7. Thank you.
You ready?
Yep. Who's on the north right? Anybody over? We've got no one in the north parking lot.
War Child and Sabre coming back to the north parking lot to resume our flagging. Be advised, there were 2 or 3 bad guys in the eastern grotto. They killed us from behind. They're still in there.
In the grotto right here?
Canteen, be advised, we have at least 2 tangos in the eastern grotto near the Red Explorer, about 75 feet southeast of N6.
Got one by the lake.
One down. Grenade. The other guy's probably in there somewhere. War Child and Sabre back at the mosque, engaging multiple targets in the swamp.
What flag do we still have to get?
We got 3 more, dude. We have 1 flag left.
Cannon S3, cannon S3, or green.
Cowboy, get that flag there in front of you, buddy. That should be green. Turn that to orange and we win. Canteen, be advised, we have 1 flag left to collect.
Where the fuck is it? Roger that, Todd. 1 flag left to collect. It's in the northwest corner.
They didn't change it to green.
N8 is changed to 10. N8 is changed to 10.
Good copy. Hey, alright. Change the flags back to green and fall back a little bit and we'll restart and run it again.
Roger.
Green team, be advised, we have changed all 6 flags. We will change them back to green and fall back to repeat the scenario. Or wait, Kevin, come in?
Good job. 35 minutes. I figured it would be a hell of a lot quicker than that.
It's over! Hang on a minute. Hey, Kev, do you want to flip it the other way and do you guys want us to defend this time?
I mean, why don't we maybe try that? I mean, that might just be, it's easy enough to switch it really fast. I mean, everybody knows what everything is.
Okay, hold on, guys. Hey, tan, all tan, come to the northern